Obsessed with the earthy warm tone in this home at Tapestry Condo. Blending gold details into a warm color scheme space can archive an elegant and welcoming vibe in this modern grand ambience living space. Instead of laminate for the cabinetry finish, we've used many tinted mirrors, as well as the wallpaper to achieve a softer touch in this space. In the master bedroom, a matching tinted mirror as the living area was used for the bedhead's feature wall. When it comes to keeping handbags, a great and nifty way of storing them can be as simple as showcasing them neatly beside the bed in the bedroom. One of the best space-saving bedroom designs is the one that has a leveled-up platform, where there is storage space concealed and hidden under the bed.